In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways of how you can get 5-star cards in Monopoly Go. So let's get into it. The first way is getting the first place in the tournaments. So this tournament right here, if we click on the reward for the first place, as you can see, you get a minimum of 1 gold 5-star card. So that was the first way. The second way of getting 5-star cards is by going to your album, going to the selected album that you want to collect. So for example here, and as you can see, I don't have Silhouette Night. If I press on it, and I can just ask the group on Facebook if anybody has a spare of this 5-star card, and hopefully somebody will be willing to either give it to you for free or trade something for it. And the last way of how you can get 5-star cards in Monopoly Go is by going to your albums right here again, and then clicking on the save. And the very last option for 2500, as you can see, one of the rewards is actually a minimum 1 5-star card. So hope this helps, hope these tips help. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.